Wasps like hornets or yellowjackets are aggressive, territorial insects that create their nests in higher, elevated locations. It's not uncommon to accidentally walk close to a nest outside your front door and get a face full of buzzing wasps. To keep wasps away from settling near your home, you'll need to take precautions to directly combat conducive conditions. So in this video, we'll go over different things you can do to prevent wasps from creating nests on your property. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free same-day shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about wasps, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. In order to keep wasps away from your home, the first thing you should do around your property is to see how you can clean it up. Lawns that aren't maintained and cleaned regularly are more likely to attract wasp activity. Wasps can forage for left-out food or organic garbage, and they can use leaf litter or overgrowth as shelter. First, rake leaves on your lawn and pick up debris like fallen bark or branches. If you use your outdoor space often, take care not to leave any food out, including any pet food, and make sure to throw all trash away into sealable garbage bins. Drain any sources of standing water, like bird baths or plant pots after rainfall. If standing water forms on your lawn after rain, you may need to see about draining or preventing water buildup by improving your lawn's aeration. Most wasp species will prefer to establish nests in covered, elevated locations like in branches, overgrown shrubs, and even on man-made structures like along eaves or underneath patio roofs. You can prevent wasps from building nests on your property by reducing the areas they have available or by using residual insecticides to deny access to their ideal sites. First, trim away any overhanging tree branches. You can also trim and prune overgrown ornamental shrubs to target wasps that don't mind establishing nests in lower heights. To prevent wasps from establishing nests on your structures, you'll need to apply a residual insecticide like Sylo. Sylo is an emulsifiable concentrate made with cypermethrin. This will keep wasps from establishing nests on treated areas for up to 90 days. We recommend you apply Sylo to your structures with a handheld pump sprayer to make mixing and application quick and easy. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until they run dry. To stop wasps from establishing nests, you'll spray a 0.1% emulsion of Sylo. You can do this easily by mixing half an ounce of Sylo with 1 gallon of water. To mix Sylo, first fill your sprayer halfway with water, then add half an ounce of Sylo insecticide into the sprayer. Add the remaining water up to the 1 gallon line. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even emulsion. Treat areas where wasps can establish nests like under eaves or underneath patio roofing. You can also apply this solution as a barrier application around your home. Just create the barrier by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Then be sure to treat entry points like around doors and windows. While this application is less likely to treat wasps, its goal is to eliminate a food source wasps can use, other bugs. With no space to establish a nest and with no access to food, wasps are sure to stay away from your property. Sylo has a 90-day residual, and we recommend you spray quarterly for year-round control. In some cases, wasps can find ways into homes and establish nests inside. This potential nightmare situation can be avoided by using exclusion products to deny wasps entry into the structure. Common exclusion products include caulk and copper mesh. Use these to seal tight cracks and crevices and block voids on the outer or inner perimeters of your structure. Outside, look around windows, around doors, around ventilation openings, around the roof, and around utility penetrations for potential pest entryways. In some cases, you may also need to replace door or window screens and weather stripping to ensure those close properly. For spaces you can't seal, like the weep holes along your foundation, you may want to consider using a product like D-Fense Dust. D-Fense Dust is a dry, water-resistant insecticidal dust that can be applied to voids, cracks, and crevices to stop many flying and crawling pests from invading structures. To use D-Fense Dust, you'll need a handheld duster with a long, narrow spout to treat tight cracks and crevices. Fill the duster about halfway with dust and leave plenty of room for air circulation. Squeeze the duster to apply the product. Apply D-Fense Dust towards the evening when wasp activity is low. Treat any voids that insects are able to use to invade your structure. D-Fense Dust can be applied indoors as well to treat tight cracks and crevices that invading pests can use to shelter in. If left undisturbed, D-Fense Dust creates a barrier that will stop pests from invading for up to 8 months. Wasps are dangerous insects that can apply a painful and sometimes lethal sting when disturbed, but there are ways to keep wasps away from our homes. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop wasps from building nests on your property, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.